Hey guys, this is Luis. Welcome back. And so we are going to log onto the server and then have an introduction to the entire server interface. So quickly we log in. So we wait whilst the server logs in. Now, if you are familiar with the previous server editions like the server 2008, then you will notice that when the server first powers on, the first thing that comes up is the ICT, Initial Configurations Tasks. Now, in the server 2012, the ICT is no longer there. Rather, when the server is first powered on, it is the server manager that comes on. So I'm going to wait for my server manager to load and then I'm going to minimize it. We'll look at the server manager in a different video. So I'm just going to minimize the server manager here for now, and then we will look at the entire server 2012. Now, if you're familiar with Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, then the server 2012 should look similar to the Windows 8.1. Now, we have the start button here, which takes you to the start screen. And then you have your applications over here. So we have the server manager, it can be accessed from here. We have the Windows PowerShell, which is a scripting tool. We'll look at it. Then we have this PC for my computer. You have Task Manager, the control panel, Internet Explorer. This takes you to your desktop, and then we have administrative tools here. Then your other applications are going to be found down here when you click the arrow over there. Now, let's go up again. So when you want to lock your screen or you want to sign out, you can click on your name here and then it will sign you out or it will lock the screen. Let's go back to the desktop. So here also the server manager can be found here. It has been pinned to the taskbar. The PowerShell has also been pinned to the taskbar, and then we have the Windows Explorer or File Explorer also pinned here. Then when you want to shut down your system, you can take your cursor to the lower right corner or upper right corner of your screen, and then you're going to see settings. So another way to go to the start menu is from here. So if you don't want to use the start menu here, you can always come here and then you can still go to start from here. And then we can bring the menus up here again. So we have search. If you want to search for something, you can type it. And then also, even when you are on the start screen, you can start typing, and immediately you start typing. Let's say I'm looking for firewall. So immediately you start typing, the search is going to pop up when you are on the start screen. Then we have the network. We have the network and sharing center. So you can always right click here to go to the network and sharing center, and then you can shut down your server from here. So basically the server 2012, and then if you want to go to control panel, you can also go to control panel from here. You can personalize your server from here. If you need information about your server, you can also view server info from here, which would just take you to the screen where you would have right click computer to go to properties. So basically this is how the server 2012 interface looks like. It is nothing different from our Windows 8.1. The difference here is what the server actually can do. And at this point, the server is just like any other operating system until you give it a role to perform. So I'm going to end here, and then in the next video we are going to take a good look at the server manager, what it is and then what it does, and then we'll move on from there.